everyone and welcome you all. My name is Astro Anshul. So today I have brought up a different topic altogether. This is about the transit of Venus, as Venus is going to transit from 1st September till 28th September. For 28 days it will come from Gemini sign to Cancer sign and it will remain for 28 days. So what it will bring for all the zodiacs, we will talk on this video. Okay, so let's start with Aries ascendant. What's going to happen for 28 days with Aries people? Since this is transiting the 4th house, this time is going to give them luxuries. They will remain with family and they will be connected more with their mother. They will be happy at home. For students, this is going to be a good time as their learnings will be high. Whatever they will learn, they will be able to understand that very well. This is a good house for a person who wants to buy a property, or those who are interested and were planning to purchase a vehicle. This is a very good time for them. Okay, then let's talk about Taurus ascendant. What Taurus will get between 1st September till 28th of September. They want to do something new. They will remain very courageous. They will take many bold steps in their life which they were planning to take. More communication will happen. They will do short travels also, and their wisdom will rise. Those who are planning to write a book, they will be able to do so. Good relationship with people. Student will rise and will be very good in the paperwork and writing things. More communication will happen, more meetings, professionals will attend, online sessions also will happen, and that will help them to rise. Then let's talk about what Gemini ascendant, how they will get benefit of this Venus transit. For Gemini people, family support is going to be very high. Family will remain very supported. Banks and finances will give them good benefits. This is a good time to earn money and to invest in new ventures, and this will remain very strong for students. Education sector is going to help them. Student will remain very happy as they will be able to attain new knowledge, and this time the communication is going to be very good for Gemini people. They will be able to convince others. If they have any meeting or they were planning to meet somebody, then they will be able to easily convince their clients. Their marketing skills will improve. They will be very good in spoken. Whatever they want to convey, they will be able to convey it very easily. Those who are into family business, they will also grow. Then let's understand what it will bring for Cancer ascendant. Cancer ascendant will start thinking positive and they will be very charged up with new ideas and creative ideas. They will be able to implement their ideas, their new thinking, their creativity. They will be able to use for their upliftment. And if somebody is into fashion business or garments related work, then this is a good time to earn from that business also. So this is a magnificent time for Cancerian people. So let's talk about Leo. What's going to happen in Leo life from 1st September till 28th September, Venus transit. You may face some unexpected expenses, but those who are related to research work or those who are working as engineers or any other research kind of work or scientists, they will get very good response from their research. They will be able to find out new things. Long travels are also can be foreseen for Leo people. This is a good time for them. Relations from people in abroad is going to get strengthened. Okay, and those who are already living abroad, this is a good time for Leo ascendant if they are living abroad. So what it's gonna bring for Virgo? For Virgo, financial gains are going to happen. Good relations with their elder siblings, their sister, their brother, those who are elder to them, the relations will remain very fruitful. They will be able to attain what they were planning before. Whatever the things that they had in mind that they will do this and that, this time will help them to achieve what they want in life. Their planning will give them result. This time is very beneficial for them. Whatever they had desired, it will come true. Their wishes will come true. They will have gains from many corners. All around they will be beneficial. Their finances will improve. Friends will favor them. They will get benefits from friends, from colleagues, and everything like is going to be blessed for them, for Virgo people. Let's understand Libra. For Libra, their fame will rise. Whatever work they had done in the past, that will bring them fame. They will be able to, be recognized by their bosses. They will be doing hard work this time also, but this time is the time that they will get reward of the hard work which they did in the past and in present also. This is a very good time for them to work and to get name and fame in their industry, in the market. Okay, then let's talk about Scorpio. What will happen with Scorpio people? Luck will favor them. They will be spiritually connected. Few of them will also go for spiritual travels, long travels, spiritual journeys they will cover. Good learning, and this is the best time for them to get the help of teachers, and they will themselves be able to preach and teach others. It's a good time for them to teach people who are living abroad or who are living at long distances. It's a good time for teachers and gurus also. This period is going to be proved very lucky for them. Okay, they will be more connected with the spiritual things, spiritual dan, punya, and these things. They will be more spiritual these many days. Then what it's going to bring for Sagittarius people? They may face little hurdles. Family relationship with the spouse may get a little rough for them. Relations with their in-laws can be bad. They may also face health issues. They need to take care of that. Few will also get some unexpected gains, and they will also face little insult. They will run for occult science. Their interest for occult science or astrology will increase. They will try to find the hidden knowledge, gyan they will run for. Then what it's going to bring for Capricorn people? Capricorn people will be, earning through, if they are into clothes business or dance, or if somebody is a dancer, or somebody is into singing, or somebody is working as a have a jewelry shop, then they will get a major benefit during this time. Good relations are going to help you enhance your business with your business partner, and good relations you are going to help you with your life partner also. This is a good time for your family and for your spouse, for your business also. Okay, so what is going to bring for Aquarius people? For Aquarius, they will face hurdles, like health issues will be there, so they need to take care of their health. For Aquarius, this is not a good time that they should start something new. If somebody was planning to take a loan, then they will be able to get the loan during this time, and they should not be interested in opening or working on something new. They should have little patience, then later on they will be able to start it. So it's better to calm yourself a little and do whatever you've been doing right now. Don't get into anything new, I must say. Okay, so what's it's gonna bring for Pisces? For Pisces, your creativity is gonna be on peak. You will have new ideas, new creativity, and moreover you will be able to use whatever the problems you had in the past, but with your present intellect, your knowledge will be so high that you will be able to resolve any problem, and you will be able to handle multiple tasks with your brain, with your intellectual skills. You will be doing new things, and you will get very good result during these days. Those who are single, they will get their love partner, life partner. People who are associated with media or those who are in marketing or sales will get great benefit, and those who are into share markets, brokers, traders, they will get good benefit between this period. But more patri, like complete patri has to be analyzed for the gain of share market and trading, but this is altogether a good time for them to trade. Okay, so guys, this was my analysis on Venus in all the houses. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon, and let me know how did you like the video. Comment on it, and please subscribe my channel. If you want to take prediction, then you may contact me on the given below number, and if you want to learn astrology, numerology or Vastu, then you may contact me. So thank you everyone. Bye bye.
Why can't I hold you?